5x minus 12 by 5 plus 3x minus 1 by 7 equals 2x plus 12 by 10 plus 9x plus 5 by 14. Right? So, interesting question. So, here the LCM of these two numbers is 5 and 7. LCM is 35. 10 and 14, LCM is 70. 10 is 2 into 5. 14 is 2 into 7. LCM is 2 into 5 into 7, 70. We simplify this, we write it on a per 35 basis. 7 times 5x minus 12 plus 5 times 3x minus 1 by 35 equals 7 times 2x plus 12 by 70 plus 5 times 9x plus 5 by 70. This is by 35. 7 into 5x, 35x minus 84 plus 15x minus 5 equals 14x plus 84 plus 45x plus 25 by 70. We can cancel the denominators. 35 into 2 is 70, so this becomes 2. So 2 times cross multiplying, 35x plus 15x is 50x minus 89 equals 14 plus 45 is 59x plus 84 plus 25, which is 109. So let's simplify this. 2 times 50x is 100x minus 2 into 89 equals 59x plus 109. And 100x minus 59x equals 2 into 89. 2 into 89, 2 9s are 18, 8, 1, 16 plus 1, 17, 178 plus 109. 41x equals 8 plus 9 is 17, 7, 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 287. X equals 287 by 41. 287 divided by 41. Looks like it could go 7 times. 7 ones are 7. Wonderful. Or X is 7. And a bunch of interesting things to note here. You could have manipulated this slightly differently. You could have written this down as 2 into x plus 6 by 10. It becomes x plus 6 by 5. And therefore, you could have brought this side and this side. We're dealing with 5x minus 12 by 5 minus x plus 6 by 5 equals 9x plus 15, 9x plus 5 by 14 minus 3x minus 1 by 7. LCM of these two is 14. This is just automatically 5. Then cross multiplying and simplifying is far easier. The denominators here are 5 and 7. Here are 10 and 14. We can take the 5 and 10 together, 7 and 14 together, manipulate slightly differently. You'll obviously get the same answer. If you have not tried by that method, try. In algebra, you need to take every effort to simplify the question. So if you can push things around here and there and a bunch of things will get cancelled, or taking the LCM will be easier, you should be switched on enough to try that. 2x plus 12 by 10 is x plus 6 by 5. So there are two terms with denominator 5, easier to put them on the same side. The other two terms put together, one has a denominator of 7, another has a denominator of 14. Brilliant. 2 times 7 is 14. Taking LCM is very easy. So if you had gone by this approach, then perhaps you could have done this quicker, and not just quicker, but with lesser chance of getting something wrong. So you should be switched on for that. I'm not going to do that. I've done it by the tougher method. Fine. So show that how the methodical, slow, put everything together, take LCM method works. But I want you to try this method, and not just that, be switched on to pick this method. It's like a puzzle. You need to you can do things elegantly, beautifully, or using brute force. And so you've seen in cricket, the guy hits a tag shot and it goes for 6. Another guy just times the pants off and it goes for 6. It's brilliant. It's lovely. You can make life easier for yourself. Be switched on about that.